the middle. So instead of going weave to pinwheel to weave to pinwheel to weave, you just went weave to weave to weave. That would be the next step. So at the same point that I'll show you from the front, at the same point where I would turn into the pinwheel, instead of turning into the pinwheel, I keep going, bringing my right hand underneath my left hand to come into underhand weave. Start an overhand on this side. When the right hand is on top, turn left to underhand weave, bringing the right hand underneath the left. And then when your left comes underneath your right, turn right to overhand weave. So start again in underhand weave here. When the left hand is on bottom, turn right to overhand weave. So we're in overhand weave here. When the right hand's on top, you turn left, bring your right hand underneath your left hand to come into underhand weave. And then from the underhand weave, when the left is on bottom, turn right and bring the left over the top of the right hand, just like when you came down from the pinwheel. And so from the weave, overhand, right's on top, turn left to underhand weave, come into the left side. Then when the left is under the right hand, we're going to turn right to overhand weave, bringing the left hand over the top. And then when the right's on top, turn left to underhand weave. When the left's on bottom, turn right to overhand. When the right's on top, turn left to underhand. When the left's on bottom, turn right to overhand. And then turn left. And then turn right. And then turn left. And then turn right. And this is why I recommend that T stance, because your body is already partly turned. And so if you're squared off like this, and then turning to this, and then turning to this, it's a lot more work than just using this T stance pivot. These are just pro tips for making it tighter. Notice if you're chasing the move, and what I mean by that is like you're leaning forward into the move. You want to be nice and relaxed on your heels. You can control the move. You can pull it into your body. You don't have to fall forward to find the move. And then as you turn, you might be really solid the first part of it. But then when you turn, you end up falling into it on that side. So pull it back up, pull yourself back up before you start going back the other way. And then the next step after that is to practice just moving between them as quickly as you can. And I don't mean spinning as fast as you can. I mean with as few repetitions so that you're just down to one underhand and one overhand. One underhand and one overhand, which will look like this from the back view. And we turn here, 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 and here, and back and forth. Nice and relaxed.